I like to use my hand to talk about positive space and negative space. So positive space is your object. In this case, it's my hand. Everything you see around my hand would be considered the negative space. Sometimes we call that background. So here, my hand and my shirt are the positive space. The blue behind it is the negative space. Here's my hand. It's the positive space. The yellow behind it is the negative space. If my hand is the positive space, the boxes behind it are a part of the negative space. So this is one of my favorite picture books. It's called Tar Beach, and it is written and illustrated by Faith Ringgold, who is one of my favorite artists. And she won the Caldecott honor for this, which is basically an award that goes to the picture book with the best illustrations. So if we look at her illustrations, we can learn about art. Here is a painting, and it shows the character Cassie, who is imagining that she is flying over her city, New York City. Or maybe she really is flying over the city. If you look at the painting, you can see both positive and negative space. Cassie and the buildings and the bridge are part of the positive space. The sky is a part of the negative space. In this picture, we see Cassie's family having dinner. So the people and the table would be a part of the positive space, and the wall behind and the floor behind would be considered negative space. Positive space, negative space. So I'm imagining that I have a horizon line right here. The closer I am to the horizon, the warmer the sunset colors are. The further I get towards the moon and the stars, the colder my colors are. Warmer at the horizon and cooler towards the stars. So if I want to create water down here and sky up here, there's going to be reflection and there's going to be symmetry with the colors. I'll start with a warm color. I'm drawing zigzag lines to create a texture in my background, in my negative space. I am continuing to add symmetrical layers. You make the artist's choice about how you want to do your background. Do you want to add mountains? Do you want to add stars? A moon? Pink is a color we see in sunsets a lot. I will keep adding layers until I am happy with the texture and the blending of the colors. I'm going to move it back this way. Here's my horizon line, here's my sky, and here's the reflection in the water. I need to write my name on it in a color that can be seen.